never want to miss out on the new videos that I upload, then make sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you'll be notified every time when I upload a new video. Part 4 of how to make a Five Nights at Freddy's game on Scratch. Sorry if it's a bit late, and I am like so sorry that I made it so late. I have just been so distracted lately, and I am so sorry. But anyways, this is what we've got of the game so far. A title screen and a new game button, which brings you to the newspaper. Now, I need to pause this for a moment because a lot of people in the comments have been saying, hey, the newspaper's not working. So I'll tell you how to fix that. So basically, with the new game button, you do green flag is click show, set ghost effect to 50, and then when the button is clicked, broadcast newspaper, and then hide. But anyways, and then you go over to newspaper, and on newspaper it's when green flag is clicked, switch to costume 1, hide, and set ghost effect to 100, and then when I receive newspaper, show, repeat 100 times, change ghost effect by -1, and then broadcast delete screen, wait 12 seconds, and then repeat 100, and then repeat by 100, change ghost effect by 1 so it fades away, and then switch to costume 2, and then 1.7 seconds later, broadcast night 1, start a random sound effect, set ghost effect to 0, and then repeat 20 times, change ghost effect by 5. This is really basic, but I just told you how to fix the newspaper, so I think you'll be able to fix it in no time. Anyways, now we need to continue with the actual Five Nights at Freddy's fan game stuff. So what you want to do is, wait, where we left off to? Yeah, we left off to the security cameras and stuff. So what you want to do is, wait, first of all, we need to go to the main menu, and we need to shrink this button because it is massive. Set it to, let's say 70. Okay, so we've shrunken the new game button because we need to add room for like night 1, night 2, night 3, night 4, night 5, night 6, night 7, night 8, night... Okay, and then you press new game, and hopefully the newspaper will work now because I just told you how to work the newspaper. Okay. There you go, it says night 1, and then a few seconds later, it goes into the office with a terrible phone call. And, yeah, so we got a lot of stuff done, and these cameras...
Hello, hi, it's...
The door and the cameras operate too slowly, so I have an idea. So, first of all, we need to put a stupid hide button on the end of this newspaper because it gets in the way of everything. Now, we have to go to, then we need to go to, the door, and it's not closing fast enough, so we're going to do 0.04. So instead of 0.8, we're going to do 0.04, because 0.08 is just too slow, so we need it to be faster. And now, hold on, let me quickly do this. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Clean up those blocks. And hopefully this works. Hopefully Office 1. Oh, that's the perfect speed. That's the perfect speed. Yes.
Hello.
Anyways, now that you've done the perfect speed, you want to go to the door. And you want to get the sound effect. You need to get a sound effect of like a door being shut, and yeah, you need to get sounds of doors being shut and stuff. I'm just trying to find. I'll just do. What kind of door should I use? Should I use the classic FNAF or should I use the Five Nights at Candy's door? I think I'm just going to use the classic FNAF door. Yeah, that sounds good. So you need to get your mechanical door sound effect, and then what you want to do is you want to put it at the start, so, and here, and now every time you press the button, it makes that iconic door sound effect. Or if you want it to be really realistic, you can actually put the sound effect to the bottom, and then it will sound like really realistic because it's opening, and it sounds really amazing. So now that we've done that, let's listen to it now. Oh, that sounds too realistic. Okay, now that we've done that, we want to go to the cameras. We need to go to the cameras because we need to do something special. Okay, first of all, go to the flip up monitor screen, and instead of doing 0.01, we're actually going to do 0.06. Because I feel like that'll be fast enough. Hopefully.
Hello, hi, it's just your new manager here. Anyways, welcome to your first night at the new water bottle factory. Basically, all you have to do is monitor the security camera.
Hopefully this will be a faster security camera. So,
anyways, that's all I have to say.
Oh my god, that is the perfect speed for the security camera. That is literally the greatest speed for the security camera to pop up. That is just amazing. Okay, now we need to go to the title screen because a lot of people have been spamming Pixel do the falling rectangle effect like you're doing in the night shifts at Dingo's. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna quickly do this. So what you want to do is you want to make your little rectangle. Okay, that's your rectangle, and then you want to go to 0, 0, which is the middle. Now you're gonna press play, and we're gonna name this. We're gonna name this Zoom. We're gonna name it. We're gonna name it Zoom 1. So now that we've made Zoom 1, what we want to do is we're going to keep on making it go up until it reaches the top or the highest it can reach. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do, when green flag is clicked, hide, go to the position that it's in right now, which is 190. Okay, now that it's at the top, we now go, oh wait, no, not hide, show, set ghost wait, hold on, now I need to put it in the middle. Set ghost effect to 50. Oh wait, no, that's color effect. Oh no! Changes the ghost effect. Yeah, ghost effect to. Yeah, we'll do 70. We'll do that, and then forever. Go to here. Change this by negative, make it go to the lowest it can go, which is minus 190. So glide to that position, and then this should be good to go now. Let's try. That works! Yes, it works! We need to slow it down 4 seconds. Oh my god, this is perfect! Now all we need to do is make this button go in front. Okay, now the new game button is in front of our new little rectangle effect, which is so cool. Now, I'm gonna press new game. Yes, it still works. Okay, and the water bottle, and Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The little thing is in front of the newspaper. Newspaper needs to go to the front layer. Okay. Now that the newspaper is in the front layer, that's still there. So we're gonna do one, and then go back to your little moving thing, and you want to do when I receive delete screen hide. So now it won't be able to appear now.
Hello,
okay, we've got our doors, we've got our
It's
cameras. Okay, this is turning out well. This is actually making your Five Nights at Freddy's fan game much better. I'm working on the part 4 thing. So now what we're gonna do is scrap the old office design, because we are going to make a really good looking office design. So I'm just gonna pause the recording and I'm gonna show you what the office will look like after I'm done fixing the office. Okay, so I updated the office a bit and it looks really bad, doesn't it? We got a terrible window right here. We got 2 crappy doors over here. Anyways, I want you guys to delete the door control system. I want you to delete the door buttons. I want you to delete the mechanical door itself. So now that once we've gotten rid of the doors, what we're going to do is we're going to add a light system to the window right there. So I just need to darken the window a bit. And dark enough. Okay, now that we've done that, what you want to do is you want to duplicate the sprite, and we are going to get a bright silver right here, and we're going to do a little hallway looking thing like that. And now that we've done that, what we're going to do is we're just going to get the top half of the water bottle, and then, well, you can just get the top half of your animatronic character, and you can put them in the window. You guys don't have to put a window function in, but you can put a window in if you want to. You don't have to put a window in. You can just make a window if you want, you know. After all, it's my how to make series. Okay, now that I've put the water bottle in, what we're gonna do is we're going to make a light effect. So what we're gonna do is for the light is when I receive office, when the office pops up, forever, 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 wait until, we'll just do, the space key, because why not? Wait until space key is pressed.